Nosotros, yo y otra persona. Otra persona y yo, right? Another person and I. Nosotros. Now, I know you're looking at this like, bro, this is not even a letter. Hey, it's an ampersand, right? At sign for some people. All right. Basically, I do this because I don't like to take up a lot of space with words. That word could either be nosotros with an OS, notice the O, o también podemos usar nosotras with the A here. All right. Now, what's the difference, you might be asking? Nosotros is when we're talking about a group of guys, or it's a mixed group between chicos y chicas, boys and girls, hombres y mujeres. All right. It could be men and women. Nosotros. Pero cuando necesitamos hablar sobre las mujeres, when we need to talk about only women, tenemos que usar la palabra nosotras. All right. So if you're including yourself, you happen to be a woman, you would say las señoras y yo, right? Nosotras, blah, blah, blah. If you were a guy and it was a bunch of women, it could be, 42 million women. Exaggeration, I know. And you might be the only guy. Que bien. Muy suerte. Pero, vamos a decir nosotros. Why? Because there's one guy. And even if there's one guy, it's the opposite gender. We have to include that. So we have to say nosotros. If it was one woman and 30 guys, it's got to be nosotros. Why? Because we have to take account for the guys in that group. So we've got to include that. If it's all women, nosotras. Okay, I think we got it. Vamos a continuar. Nosotros nadamos en el océano. Nosotros nadamos en el océano. Nadamos. So what do you think we're saying here? Nosotros nadamos en el océano. What the word nosotros is. I give you the action, nadamos, make it make sense. The whole reason why I'm not trying to give you the exact translation is because I want you to kind of utilize the subject pronoun that we have and what you're seeing here. I want you to check out the original version of the video I did on subject pronouns. You can click right here in the video and I'll see you over there.